today I am going to start this chapter, that is in your class 4 book. First see the book. This is your book, class 4. Class 4 book is this, okay? And in this class 4 book, I will start the first chapter, the large numbers. And in this large number first, I will start the recap exercise. So I will solve some questions from the recap exercise. So open the book and then see the solution. So question number 1 is here, write the given number in words. Okay. So the first question is 5698. That is 5698. So you have to write this number in words. So how will you write? Here you will write 5000 600 and 98. Okay, this is the number name in words. Okay, this is the first question, and there are also other questions like 7896. So you will write this yourself. Okay, and the next number is question number 2. Write the following in numerals. Okay, you have to write in numerals. That is, the number is given in words, and then write it in the numerals. The first one is 2410. Okay, question number 2 is question number 2A. 2400 and 10. 2410. So its answer will be 2410. Okay, this is the numeral for this name. And next is the largest 4-digit number. What is the largest 4-digit number? The largest 4-digit number is 9999. 9999. And the smallest 4-digit number? The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, because it has 4 digits, and this number also has 4 digits. So these are the 4. That is the largest 4-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. So next is number 3. Now you have to compare. Compare the numbers means you have to find out. You have to find out which number is bigger and which number is smaller. And the numbers may be equal also. That is in this question. So first compare this number. Number 3 is like the number is 1, 2, question number A, 1236, and the other number is 1569. Okay, now in these two numbers, which number is bigger? Many of you would have guessed the answer. Okay, so the answer is that this number is smaller and this number is bigger. Okay, so you will put this sign here. Okay, that is, this sign tells you that this number is bigger than this number, because we see here at the thousands place 1, here at the thousands place 1 here, but at the hundreds place it is 2 and this is 5 here. So this 5 is bigger than 2, that is why this number is bigger than this number. The next number is, I will solve C number. So in question number C, you will first solve, that is 3690 plus 10. So then box is there, and then the other number is 3660 minus 60. So first solve it. So when you solve, this will be what? That is 3700, and then box. Then after solving this, you will get 3600. Okay, when you subtract, you will get 3600, and this will be 3700 here, or 3700, and this is 3600. Now you can determine which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So here the first number, that is this number, is bigger and this is smaller, so you will put this sign. So this is the answer. And now next question. The next question is fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. So what is the predecessor of 4000? What is the predecessor of 4000? You know predecessor means that is the previous number. That is when you subtract 1 from a given number, then you will get a predecessor. And so here the question number 4a. The predecessor of 4000. is equal to 4000 minus 1, that is 3999. That is 3999. This is the predecessor of 4000. Then you have the successor. What is successor? Successor means a number just bigger than a given number. Like for example, the successor of 5 is 6. So that is, if you are given a number and you have to find the successor of a given number, then you will add 1 to that number. So here I am going to add 1 to the given number, so that you will get the successor of 9990. So this is the successor of this number. That is, when you add 1 to the given number, then you will get the successor. So now question number 5. Using the digits 6, 1, 3 and 9, form the greatest number and the smallest number. Question number 5. Using the digits 6, 1, 3 and 9. So you are given the digits 6, 1, 3 and 9. Okay, these are the 4 digits which are given. Okay. Okay, so you are given these are the 4 digits 6, 1, 3 and 9, and from these 4 digits you have to make greatest number, and another number is the smallest number. So how will you make the greatest number? So greatest means here, like the greatest number. Suppose here A and the greatest number. Greatest number is equal to, that is, first you will write 9, that is the largest number is 9 here in this case, 9. Then the next bigger number is 6, so write 6 here. Then next bigger number is 3, then write 3, then write 1, then this one here. So this is the greatest number. If you are given these 4 digits, then from these 4 digits you can make the greatest number like this. That is, in making the greatest number, you must write the given numbers in the descending order. Like see here, that largest number, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. So like this you can make the greatest 4-digit number. Next is the smallest 4-digit number. Now the smallest. The smallest number equal to smallest, I mean here the 4-digit number. Okay. Then again here just reverse this order. That is the smallest one first, then 3, then 6, then 9. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. So this is the question number 5. Now question number 6 is write the following in the standard form. in the standard form. So question number A, 9,000 plus 50 plus 7. So here in this it will be here, see that here this is the 9,000 here, so there is no hundred here, hundreds, and then this is tens and this is ones here, so it will be 9, 0, 5, 7. Okay, this is the answer of this expanded form. Okay, because here the hundreds place is missing, so in place of the hundreds place we will put 0, and at this tens place it will be 5 here, and at ones place it will be 7. So this is the number. And B, 8,000 plus 600 plus 60 plus 9. So in this here you have all the places, like thousands place, then hundreds place, then tens place, and the ones place. So here the answer will be 8, 6, 6, 9. That is 8,669. And the question number 7 is you have to arrange in the ascending order, and the question number 8 is in the ascending order. So first descending order. So descending order means that is in the decreasing order. First you will write the largest number, and then you will decrease as you move forward, and then ultimately you will have the smallest number. So the first number is here, descending order. Question number A. You are given the number 5,207. The next number is 1,708. The next number is 1,075. And the next one is 5,710. And the last number is 2,481. Now you have to arrange these numbers in the descending order. Okay, you have to arrange this number into the ascending order. Okay, now here this is the descending order. Descending means here first find the largest number. So in these numbers, which is the largest number here? You see here that it is 5, then here 5. So now here is 5, and here 1, 1, 2. So now the bigger number is this and this here. So now from these two numbers, which number is bigger, this or this? Here see that it is 5 and 5, and here it is 2, this is 7 here. So 7 is here bigger at the tens place, so this number will be bigger than this number. Actually this number is the largest number from all these 5 numbers. So 5,710 is the first number. The next number will be this number. Then next will be, now find out here, this is 17 here, this is 10, and this is 21 here. So this one will be bigger. So we will write this here, 21, 2,281. The next number will be this, and then last one will be 1,775. So this is the arrangement in the descending order. Okay, this is the arrangement in the descending order. The next question is, now question number 8, arrange in the ascending order. The numbers are here, I will write B, the 8B. So the first number is 5,967, that is 5,967. Then next number is 6,825. The next number is 2,345. The fourth number is 3,014. And the last one is 8,153. So these are the numbers. Now we have to arrange this into the ascending order. Ascending means that is first we will find out the smallest number. So here the smallest number is, this number is the smallest number, 2,345. This is the smallest one. The next bigger number is this one. No, the next bigger number is 3,014. The next bigger number is 5,967. And the next bigger number is 6,825, and the biggest number is here 8,153. So this is the arrangement of the given numbers in the ascending order. This is the arrangement of the given numbers in the ascending order. So this question, that is, now this is the end of this chapter exercise. Now I will move on to the next topic, that is the numbers beyond 9,999. So here you will learn about larger numbers, that is larger number than the 9,999. So here first, so the numbers beyond 9,999. So in this you will study about the numbers of this is the number of 4 digit here. Then you will study about the numbers of 5 digit, 6 digit and 7 digit. So in case of the, suppose the smallest 5 digit number, smallest 5 digit number equal to the smallest 5 digit number is this, that is 10,000. This is the smallest 5 digit number, and the largest 5 digit number, the largest 5 digit number is this, that is 99,999. Then you have the smallest 6 digit number. The smallest 6 digit number is this is the smallest 6 digit number. This is read as 1 lakh. Then the largest 6 digit number, the largest 6 digit number will be equal to 9,99,999. So all these are the 6 digit number, 5 digit number and 5 digit number. Then there is one more number, that is the 10 lakhs place, that is in that case smallest 7 digit number. Smallest 7 digit number equal to 10 lakh. This is the smallest 7 digit number. Largest 7 digit number, $99,99,999. Okay, so these are the numbers here. Now see the here interesting part of this, that this is the largest 4 digit number. Okay, this is the largest 4 digit number, and if you add 1 to this number, you will get the smallest 5 digit number. And next is here, this is the largest 5 digit number, and if you add 1 to this, then you will get the smallest 6 digit number. And again, if you add 1 to this number, that is the largest 6 digit number, you will get the smallest 7 digit number, and so on. So these are the properties in this, and this is read as 10,000. This is 99,999. This is 1 lakh. This is 9 lakh 99,999. This is 10 lakh, and this is 99 lakh 99,999. Okay. So now I will explain you the place value chart in this. So the place value chart in this, you have, like, first you will write that 10 lakh here, that is TN, 10 lakh, then lakh, then 10,000, that is TH, then 1,000, that is TH, 10 lakh, 10,000, 1,000, then here 100, then tens, and then ones. Okay. So here these are the places. These are the places like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is for a 7-digit number. For a 7-digit number, these are the places of that digit. This is the ones place, then tens place, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh. Okay, these are the places in this case. For example, if you write like 10 lakh, so 1 will be here and 0 will be here, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. So this is 10 lakh, and here next number, suppose you want to write the largest 7-digit number, that will be 99. So here this is 10 lakh, this is 99 lakh, 99,999. So again I will say that this is the ones place, and this is the tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place, then 10,000 place, and this is the lakhs place, and this is the 10 lakhs place. And in this, suppose there is a number. Now here you will study about the face value and the place value of a number. Suppose there is a number in this, again example. Now here in these, that is here again I have written another number, 88 lakh 88,888 now. Now here what is the place value and the face value? So here in this case, that is what is the place value of this 8, that is 8 into 1 equal to 8, because this is at the ones place, and for this the place value will be 8 into 10 equal to 80. For this number the place value will be 8 into 100 equal to 800. And the place value of this digit will be 8 into 1000 equal to 8000. Then the place value of this digit will be 8 into 10,000 equal to 80,000. And the place value for this will be 8 into 1 lakh. And for this digit, the place value will be 80 lakh, that is 8 into 10 lakh. So these are the place values of different digits here. So remember this, that is for the ones place digit, the place value will be 8 into 1, and for the tens place it will be 8 into 10, and so on. So these are the place values of the digits in this place value chart, and the face value of any number remains the same. The face value of 8 will be the same, that is 8. Okay, that is the number may be at any places, but the face value will remain the same. That is the face value of this will be 8 or any number. Okay, so the face value remains the same, but the place value changes according to the places in the place value chart. So this is the place value chart here, and again there are here also periods. Okay, this is the places here, this is places here, and then you have the periods in this. You also have the periods, like in this you have this period and this and this here. That is, this is called the ones period, and this is called the thousands period, and this is called the lakhs period. So this is the lakhs period. Periods, places, then this is the lakhs period, then thousands period, and the ones period here. So in case of that is why we write this, that is when you name the given number, then we see here that this is in the lakhs period here, that is why it will be 10 lakh. Then here or read this number here, that this is 99 lakh, and then 99,999. So in this way you will read the number. So these are the large numbers. Now we will solve some questions from the exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Now in this question number 1, write the given numbers in a place value chart and give the place value of the colored digits. So first you will make a place value chart like I explained just now, that you will write that the places like 10 lakh, 10 lakh, then 10,000, then 1,000, then 100, then tens, and then ones. Now in this place value you will write the given number. So the first question is question number A, and here the number is given 7,56,000. So 7,56,320. So this is the number. Question number A, and this the number 7 is colored here. Okay, this number is colored, and we have to find the place value of this number. So see that the 7 is at the lakhs place. So the place value of 7 in the given number equal to 7 into 1 lakh equal to 7 lakh. So this is the place value of 7. This is the colored digit. So in this way I have found the place value of this number. Then question number, suppose question number D. Okay, in this D you have the number 8,58,600. 8,58,625. So this is the number D, and in this the colored digit is 5. So here see this 5, and now see the place value of 5. The place value of 5 is 10,000 here. So the place value of this will be, that is in this case of D, place value of 5 in the given number is equal to 5 into 10,000. So this is the place value of 5. Now next question number 2. In this, mark the periods by placing the commas and write the names of the given numbers. Mark the periods by placing the commas and write the names of the given number. Okay, we have to first separate the periods and then write the number name in words. Okay, so in this question number 2, and first number is 23,654. So here uh, we have to mark the periods. So marking the periods is very easy. Okay, that is, you will start from the right side. Okay, you will start from the right side and then first count the 3 digits. Count 3 digits here, like first, second, third. Then put here comma. Then now you have marked the period here. That is this is the period here. This will be here thousands period and this will be here ones period here. So in this way you can mark the periods. Always move from the right side. Okay, right side, and then the first period will be before 3 digits and then after 2 digits here. So this is only 5-digit number. So the period here will be this much here. That is, its number name will be 23,000. 23,654. 664. So this is the number name of this number. Then I will take another question, question number D. Now this is the number. Now here in this we have to mark the period. So in this again move from the right side. That is, you will move from the right side here, and now here see that first, second and third. Then comma here. Then first, second, then comma here. That is, first period will be after 3, or you can say the first period will be before 3 digits, and then next will be after 2 digits. So now here we have separated the periods. That is, this is in the lakhs period, and this is in the thousands period, and this is in the ones period. So what is the name of this? This will be 3,56,987. So first I get that 3 lakh. So this is the number name of this 3,56,987. Okay, so this is the meaning of the given number. The next is question number 3. Write the numerals for the given names with the help of a place value chart. So here you are given the number in words, then write the name of this. So what is the number name of the first number? Here the first number is seen in your book, that 32,516. So its name will be 32,516. So this is the answer of this question, 32,516. And you can also use the place value chart. So how do you use the place value chart here? So again write that here that is TL, then TTH, that is 10,000, then 1,000, then 100, then tens, then ones. Now you are given 32,000 here. So this is the thousands period here, and this is the ones period in this case. So in this you will write 32 because this is the thousands period. And this is here the ones period. So in this case, that is the number is 516 here. So now you can write the number like that is 32,516. So in this way you can write by drawing the place value chart, or without doing this also you can write the number. Okay, there is no need to draw the place value chart here. Now the question number 4. In question number 4 you are given chart in this, and you are given the period, the place value, and the phase value. So here you will write this. You will do it yourself because the first question has been done for you. So by looking at this answer, you can answer other questions easily here. Okay. So you will write the period, then the place value, and the phase value of this. Now I will solve question number 5. Name the places in the thousands period. Okay. Name the places in the thousands period. So in thousands period there are two places. In thousands period there are two places. That is the 10,000 place and thousands place. So here you will write places in thousands period are ten thousands and thousands. Okay, these are the two places in the thousands period. 10,000 place and the thousands place. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 5. And question number 6, name the period which comes before the lakhs period. Name the period which comes before the lakhs period. The period which comes before the lakhs period is thousands period. Okay, here the answer will be thousands period. Before so thousands period comes before lakhs period. Now question number 7, write the smallest 5-digit number in words. Okay, the smallest 5-digit number in words. The smallest 5-digit number is what? The smallest 5-digit number is this. Okay, then in words it will be 10,000. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Write the greatest 7-digit number in figures by separating periods. Write the greatest 7-digit number. So what is the greatest 7-digit number? In figures, so the greatest 7-digit number, that is 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the largest 7-digit number, and then put that is mark the periods. One will be here and another will be here. So this is the greatest 7-digit number in figures. Okay, whenever you are given that write the number in figures means write the numerals only. Now question number 9, complete the number patterns. Okay, so in this what is the next number? You are given 3 numbers, then you have write next 3 numbers. So the question number 9, here the first one is like this. So now see here, observe this pattern here. This is 7 6 here, 5 9 4, and you see that 9 4 is here, 9 4 is here, 9 4 is here, but only the number which is changing is here, this 5. Okay, see that this is the number at the hundreds place, and here it is hundreds place, and here also at the hundreds place, this is 6 here. Okay, see here it is 6. This is 5 here, and this is 6 here, and this is in this number 7679. Okay. Now see here, that is 5 and here 6 and then 7. That is the digit at the hundreds place is increasing by 1. Okay, 5, 6, 7. The next will be here, that is in the next number, everything will remain the same, only this will become 8. So it will be 76, 8, 9. Okay, so I was discussing this question number 9. Complete the number patterns. Question number 9A. So these are the numbers. These are the first 3 numbers which are given to you, and then we have to write the next 3 numbers according to the pattern here. So first observe the pattern. Okay, first observe the pattern. Okay, and then you can find out. Now see, observe here that in all these numbers, here it is first number 7, 7, 7 everywhere. Then you have 6, 6 here also 6. That is 76, 76, 76 here. And see that here it is now. That is the number at the hundreds place. The number at the hundreds place is 5 in this case. And here you see here it is 6. Okay. At the hundreds place the number is 6. And in this number the number at the hundreds place is 7 here. So the number at the hundreds place is changing. That is 5, then it's 6 here, and then here it is 7. Okay, and see that at the tens place and at the ones place the number is same, 94, 94, 94. So here it means that we are adding 100 to this number. So see that if you add 100 to this number, then you will get 4, 9, 6, 6, 7. So see that now you got this number here. That is, and if you add again 100 to this number, that is 100 to this number, then you will get 4, 9, 7, 6, 7. Now see you got this number here. So it means that when you add 100 to this number, then you get the next number. So it will be 76894. It will be 76894. 76,894. The next number will be now, you will add 100 to this number, that is now it will be 76,994. 76,994. Now here the interesting thing will happen here. Now see that it is 994 here. Now when you add 100 to this number, that is 100 to this number, adding this. Now see that 4 plus 0, 4, 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, that is 0, carry 1. So this here, then 6 plus 1, 7, then 7. That is, at this place, the number will be 77094. 77094. Okay, so here, be careful while writing the numbers here. Okay, here, in these numbers you don't have any problem here, but here you must be careful that if you know that what number you have to add to the previous number, then it will be very easy. Okay, just adding 100 to this number, you got this number here. Again you add 100 to this number, you got this number. Again add this 100 number here, you will get the next number, and so on. Again add 100 here, you will get the next number, and so on. So you have to identify first that which number you will add, so that you will get the next number. Okay, you have to find out that first, then it becomes easier. So this is the pattern. Then I will solve one more here, question number C, 9C. 9C, here the three numbers are 2,76,102. 2,76,102, the first number. The next number is 2,86,102. The next number is 2,96,102. Okay, these are the numbers. Okay, these are the three numbers. Then you have to write the next three numbers and the third number also. Now here first observe the pattern here. That is, in this case, this is at the lakhs place, so 2 everywhere is there. So what is changing you will see here. That is, first observe what number is changing here. See that that is here C 6102, 6102, 6102 is here also, and here also 2 is there, 2 is there, and 2 is there also. So what is changing here? That is, this is changing here. That is 7, and then here 8, and then here 9. That is the digit at the 10,000 place is changing here. Digit at the 10,000 place is changing. That is, it means that we are adding 10,000 to the given number to get the next number. Okay, so here when you add 10,000 you will get this number, and again if you add 10,000 here you will get this number, and when you add 10,000 then you get the next number here. So add here 10,000. See that see here that 2,96,102. Okay, in this you will add 10,000. Okay, then what we get? 2016 and 9 plus 1 10. That is 1 carry. That will be 3 here. So now this is the next number. That is will be here 3,06,102. Okay. Now what is the next number? Again you will add 10,000 to this number. So the next number is 3,60,102. Then the last number again will be, again you will add here 10,000 to this number. Then you will get 2,01623. That is 3,26,102 here. So here this is the third number. So when you observe the pattern carefully, then you can easily find out the what should be the next number and the next number and the next number and so on. So you must observe the pattern first, and then it will be very easy to find out the pattern and then the given numbers and fill the blanks also. So now the question number is 10. Okay, one question is left with question number 9. You will do it yourself. And question number 10, write 4 consecutive numbers coming just after this. That is, we are given a number 32,065, and you have to write the next 4 numbers. That is the consecutive numbers. Okay, consecutive means that is the number after just after one other number. For example, when you count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the consecutive numbers. That is, in this counting numbers, you will say that if the question is what is the if I ask you what is the next number after 5, your answer will be 6. Okay. Similarly, what is the next number after 6? That will be 7. So here 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the consecutive numbers. That is the number just after the previous number. They are called, that is, here we are not skipping any step here. So in this case also you see here in the question number 9C, here all these numbers are the consecutive numbers, because here we are not skipping any step, we are not skipping any number here. That is, after this number it will be this number. If you add 10,000 you will get this number, not this. Okay, so when you skip that will be wrong. So you can say here that all these are the consecutive numbers, and this is called the counting by 10,000. Okay, like when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then this is counting by 1. Okay, when you count like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that is counting by 2 and so on. So here we are counting by 1 in this case. In this case, you will have to count by 1. Now you are given the number 32,065. The next will be 32,066. Next will be 67, 68, 69. So that is the answer. $32,065. The next will be 32,066, 32,067, 32,068, 32,069. Okay, so I have written 4 numbers, so that is the answer. Okay, these are the consecutive numbers after, that is, these are the 4 next number after this number, and all these numbers are consecutive numbers because after 5 this is 6, then 6, then 7, then 8 and 9. So that is, you are adding 1 to each number to get the next number. So this is the answer. The next is write 5 consecutive numbers coming just before. So coming just before means you have to write the predecessor, that is counting backwards. Okay, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. So that is counting in the backward direction. So in this the number is, first number is this, that is 23,658. 23,658. Then if you subtract -1 here, if you subtract 1, then you will get so the next number here will be 2, 3, 6, 5, 7. That is, you have to decrease. Okay, that is, we are getting the predecessor. Like the predecessor of this is this, then the predecessor of this will be again you will subtract here 1 from this number, so you will get 23,656. Then next will be 23,655, and next will be 23,654. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more number we have write, that is 23,653. That is, here we are decreasing this number by 1, and again 1, 1, 1, that is, so these are the required numbers for our question. So this is the answer. Now the question number 11, answer the following questions for the number 56,987. Okay, you are given a number 56,987, and we have to answer some questions here. You have 3 questions regarding this. So question number 11, the number is 56,000. Given number equal to 56,987. Now, in question number A, write the place value of the digit 5. The place value of the digit 5. Now see here, the place value of, because 5 is at the 10,000th place. Okay, so the place value of 5 equal to 5 into 10,000 equal to 50,000. This is the place value of 5 in this number. And number B is, write the place value of 8 in this number, the place value of 8 here. Now see that 8 is at the 10th place, then the place value of 8, equal to 8 into 10, that is 80. So the place value of 8 in this number is 80. And the last one is write the digit whose place value is 6000. Now this is another question here. Write the digit whose place value is 6000 in this case. That is in this number. Which digit has the place value 6000? So here the digit is equal to 6 because 6 is at the thousands place. So here 6000, that is 6 has the place value 6000 in this number. Okay, so this is the answer. So now I will explain you other topics in the next class. So till then you will solve all the exercises which I covered today. That is the recap exercise and the exercise 1.1. You will go through all the exercise in your copy. Okay, then when the next when the class will open, then I will check all the question answer in your copy. So you must solve and then you must watch video carefully. Okay, thank you.